Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So ngayon may i-share lang ako na video sa inyo mga kois. So sa video ito guys, kung kayo po is na eligibility criteria, so kung yung mga Facebook page ninyo guys is you follow Facebook content monetization policies is naka-X pa po yan, kagaya nitong sa akin is naka-X pa po yan. Ayun, pero na-hit na ninyo yung 60k thousand views, minutes views, tapos yung 5,000 followers, tapos dito lang kayo nagka-problema sa you follow Facebook content monetization policies is naka-X pa po kasi may violation kayo, pero wala naman kayong violation kay Facebook, kay Meta. So ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin gawin mag-report. Ang gagawin ninyo mga guys, back, tapos screenshot lang ninyo yan guys, yung ano ninyo, yung Facebook page ninyo guys, screenshot ninyo yan. Pagkatapos guys, back tayo, tapos click natin itong tatlong guhit yan, tapos click natin yung ating Facebook page, tapos guys click natin itong see dashboard, tapos scroll down tayo, click natin ang monetization sa gilid yan, tapos ito yung kalabasan guys, tapos scroll down tayo, tapos click natin ang in-stream ads, tapos scroll down tayo guys. Dito guys is i-screenshot lang natin yan guys, screenshot lang natin yan. So ayan, tapos guys back tayo, back tayo guys, tapos click natin itong, so click natin itong pages guys, tapos search natin dito ang status. Ay mali pala guys, i-click natin itong page natin, tapos i-click natin itong dalawang guhit, tatlong guhit, tapos i-click natin ang page status, tapos screenshot lang natin to guys. Ayan, tapos back tayo guys, back tayo, i-click natin ang settings, tapos report a problem. Wait guys, click pala natin yung help and support. Ito help and support, tapos i-click natin i-click help and support, tapos i-click natin ang report a problem. Ayan, tapos i-click ninyo itong continue to report a problem. So ayun, dito na tayo. So dito natin i-report guys, so pindutin lang natin itong include. So may pagpipilian dyan guys kung anong ginagamit ninyo. So ayun guys, dito na tayo. So ang gamit natin is pages, Facebook pages. So i-click lang natin itong pages. So ayan, dito na tayo guys. So i-ano lang natin to guys, i-X lang natin to. Ayan. So yun. So ngayon dito tayo mag-report a problem guys. Describe issue. Ayun guys, so ito yung sinusulat ko guys. I would like to request a review of my Facebook page account. I have already met the eligibility criteria for an in-stream ads, but there seems to be issue with content monetization. So ayan, so i-copy lang ninyo yan guys. So ngayon guys, back tayo. Ngayon guys, back tayo guys. kunin lang natin itong link ng ating Facebook page. Click natin yung Facebook page natin, tapos click natin to. Ayan, tapos kunin natin tong, wait lang, mali pala. Saan na nga yun? Share your link, tapos pagkatapos guys, click lang nyo ito, share profile, share profile, tapos click nyo ang copy link. So copy link, tapos back tayo, punta tayo doon. So ayan guys, ito yung sinabi ko, I would like to request a review of my Facebook page account. I have already met the eligible criteria for in-stream ads, but there seems to be an issue with content management policies. I am confident that my videos are original and created by me. Additionally, I diligently follow all the rules outline the content management policies. Could you please review and resolve the problem as soon as possible? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sincerely. Facebook, name of Facebook, your Facebook page link. So ito yung Facebook page link guys. Tapos click natin yung upload from phone. So i-attach natin yung yung inano kanina. So ayun, naka-attach na guys yung in-screenshot natin kanina. So ngayon, i-click natin ang send report. So ayun guys, na-send na po yung report natin. So antay lang tayo ng ilang araw para ma-set up na natin yung in-stream ads at 5 days at siguro after yan guys, after 5 days siguro yon. Ayun, nag-check na po yung follow Facebook content monetization. So ayun, so yan lang po ang ginagawa natin guys, para kasi dati is naka-X po yan lang po yung naka-X, kahit na hit na ko una po yung 60k minutes views, tapos yung 5 videos in last 30 days, tapos 5k followers, tapos dati X lang po yan yung follow Facebook monetization. Yun lang ginagawa ko guys, at yun after 5 days is naka-check na po siya. At ito lang po nagtapos ng video guys, at thank you for watching.